sunny day. Come on.
It's 2:09 in the morning.
It's about 8 hours away from a bright sunny day. Come on. I'll play kickball. You know you like kickball,
Why
right?
the fuck would I want to play kickball?
I thought you liked kickball. Ooh, we can play football?
No, I'm good.
Baseball?
I'm good.
Anything?
No, I'm good.
So you're just gonna sit here, right? What if I...
Dude.
What if,
Just do your girlfriend. Just, I'm just gonna...
I got a hat!
It's AC/DC.
Oh, well. I'll wear that hat. But that doesn't help you. Let's see. Ah! Come on, come. What are you... Oh, I just wanted to play a game. What? No!